Hi guys, I am Vaish and I'm a postgraduate in applied mathematics at the University of Glasgow. So today I'm going to share some of my experiences and some of the tips regarding NHS in Scotland. So let's start this video. Get yourself registered with your nearest GP and dentist both. So for GP, I think you have this website where you can enter your postcode where you live or where your accommodation is, and you can check out the nearest GP practice that you have from your dorm. So please make sure that the GP practice is very close to your accommodation. And once you get one GP practice, suitable GP practice, you get yourself registered. So some of them are like fully online. So maybe, for example, I live in Farilcote and I think the nearest available GP practice is the Faril practice. Basically, they had their own website where I could register myself. And the whole process was online, so I had to fill this form, a new patient registration form, and some details about my medical history or so. And I think the whole process took around like 2-3 days. So I got myself registered via mail, but it might be different for your case because not every GP practice maintain their online website. So the best option is to go to visit the practice itself and talk to the reception that you want to get yourself registered, and I am pretty sure that the process will be very seamless. You don't have to worry much about that. Now that you're all registered with your GP practice, in case you want to make an appointment, you will be given a phone number to contact them, like a general phone number, landline number. You can just make a phone call to the reception and they will get you booked, and they will also tell you the available time slots. So once you have made an appointment and you have discussed everything with your doctor, if the doctor thinks that you need more diagnosis, they will suggest you to get yourself tested. So all those tests are free. And in case you have an emergency situation where you need to visit the hospital ASAP, you can do that and make sure that you tell them you are a student of the University of Glasgow and you have registered yourself with your GP practice. They will provide you every medication or any ointment or band-aid or anything that you need to get yourself healed for free. Now we will talk about the dentist appointment. Now it is as necessary as your GP registration, okay? So once you're done with your GP practice registration, you need to find the nearest dental service center that you have from your accommodation. So for example, I live in Farilcote and I think the nearest dental service is at the Maryhill Smile Care. The process is a bit different from the GP practice. So basically you need to make a phone call to the dental center and they will give you an appointment, so that you need to visit to the center physically and fill out the form, and there you will need to put the information of your GP practice. So keep that in mind. So once you visit the dentist, you get yourself registered then. That is all free of cost. In my case, the dentist actually took an x-ray of all my teeth. He just checked if everything is okay inside my mouth. Also, if you are 26 or below, then you get to clean your teeth for free. So cleaning charge is not applied for people who are 26 or below here in Scotland. So yeah, that should be it. and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.